guys, let's just unpack nje ozinohlonze, like we're just not making them brief. You know what's going on with Linda Lerato Mangela Ehlonglanto, guys. Oh, I'm just like, why? Ukubona leyo nto le. And abantu bakhona basuka eKZN. Ngoba sebezobanjwa those people. I really believe ukuthi, mark my words, they will be caught. Because angithi imoto manje, they took it to a panel beater in Phoenix. Next to Gamasho. I think about Gamasho. One of the guys' name is Fezile or something like that. So the guy, abamthole, owner of the car, who was trying to penetrate it, bambambile amaphoyisa. So Atlanta Mate was saying, the spokesman for SAPS for South Africa, basically, I guess. It's not just for Johannesburg. Now I think now it's for every region, all the regions, but it's just too good also with sisters. So she was just like, hey, we're going to find them for Oksala because we do have leads now. Guys, and what I also didn't like on social media, where we are not supporting the family now, people were saying she was a gold digger. How are you a gold digger when you are doing your third degree? Guys, how are you a gold digger? Sometimes, like, sometimes this is why sometimes, guys, let's not say stuff when you don't even know the dynamics for sure. Now, because John has nothing. Just now, says Obosh. John. What a barbaric situation is this? It's not right, you know. Hopefully, guys, they are caught and may Lerato soul rest in eternal peace. Ingane, mina, this is just how I feel. The next thing, I just think she didn't think about it. So you just like, oh, okay, let me just go, you know. But she did tell her friends, you know. But it's just not right what happened to her, honestly. The perpetrators, that's just my thing. I don't know what are your thoughts, guys, around that. But Presley. Presley, guys, we've been saying stories about him, the stories, and I've never said anything negative about him. Even no Musakalo guys will be saying stuff. But someone upumile in jail when you're busy saying stuff about people. Are you out of jail now? Uzobe khuluma story sango 2020 ukuthi uPresley wayeshaya inkosikazi yakhe and all of that. Hey guys, and then usepoisoniwe manje. Guys, like I'm saying, we don't know the dynamics. Kuthiwa lo muntu has respiratory problems, right? Ube umuntu ongathi akasakwazi ukuphefumula kahle, and then that was the end of him. And then abantu bathi hayi soka bampoisonile. Hayi namanga nasifihlela. Guys, asizazi indaba zasemzini nabantu. Please, let's just stop. Ukubona leyo nto le. Guys, uowami ke umentionile ukuthi no into eyenzakalayo, she is grateful for all the ninjas that helped her out. She got about 13,000. She had said 12 something, so this is about 13,000. She said that. It's not me, guys. You can even go to her channel. What's here about 13? She's so grateful to the people who donated to her, and abanye bathe bazokhokha month end. She's grateful. The money keeps coming, you know. It's just like she was very lucky actually, because people no, you can't be wanting money from us. When the same person who said people are broke, people are useless but I guess the ninjas mostly are the ones that actually helped her with donations, you know. Yeah, so she's grateful, guys. I did help her out nami in a way ngokuthi ngi-advertise la ku-YouTube, because she's a YouTuber. Angithi umuntu lo nami ngiyona someday ekuzowazi nathi singalidinga usizo lukanjena. You'll never really know for sure, guys. Impilo enye into ethi will show you flames, Life is very, very crazy, guys. So this is why ngezulu kuthiwa kusasa kungawe. Not necessarily ukuthi it's mean or it's negative, but it's more like lalela. It can be rosy today, but I was. So if you can help out Mina. My voice did help her out, I guess. You know. Also, I didn't really judge her. It's just at some stage the stories were not making sure, because I did mention Uguti. There was a time when she said, "Imoto and my figure she didn't see anything in the boot. My volley boots are coluto, but nothing says the car was forcefully opened. And then next thing, after 2-3 days, we said the car was forcefully opened. I'm just like, uthini kahle? Even you need to be sure. So I was like, it's not to make sure the story sake, but I'm just like, it's fine. Ngati, let me not judge kakhulu because I don't know the dynamics, guys. I don't know what she went through. That's like sometimes, guys, you mustn't dwell too much in people's things. Ungenelele kakhulu, because sometimes you don't even know, really. Not even sometimes, you don't even know. You know? Yeah. As long as she's happy, she's fine. As long as she's gonna get more equipment and everything she lost there, it won't happen overnight, I guess. But I'm sure she can get a camera for now, you know, in some lighting that she was using that she said she lost there. She lost quite a few things, guys. Quite a few things. She lost a lot of things. The way she was saying, everything that she uses for her podcast, you know. Yeah, so she lost a lot of things because sometimes in the setting that I'm in manje ngoba mine ngiyabona ukuthi faceless this channel. So I can't just use my phone, you know, just for a voiceover and that's it. But now with the podcast, you're sitting with people there, it must be a nice setting, you know. Yeah, guys, she lost a lot of things because my thing is that to buy those things, guys, cannot happen overnight. And the way she was saying, I lost a lot of stuff, guys. She did count the stuff that she lost. I think it's about 2 to 3 cameras now. Yeah. Just to start all over again, guys, like that, it's not necessarily a nice thing. And my thing is that it can happen to anyone. This is why I'm not getting guys, trashing people and dragging people like I'm a mob. It doesn't help at times. Just let people be. Yebo umgozi and yebo ikosi planner and all of that. Fine, but hey, guys, at times people go through things. She was crying, guys. I was just like, this is genuine. And you could see she's fried. She was just about to sleep. This thing happened in the afternoon. On the day, you could see, you know what, she's hurt. Oh my gosh, like, I was like, guys, it's story ska Olorato. Oh, what a heartbreaking story. Oh my gosh, like, oh, lo mama, the way she was just talking umaga Olorato. Mangela. Guys, it's like the craziest thing I've ever had. You know what, she was my only child, she was my friend, and just making sure you know your child, and she's well traveled. She's just basically a bookworm. Yo, guys, so Mamake is just like, you know what, we were even talking about death about a month ago or so. You know, about life. As I know, whoever goes between us, we'll just be left with memories. And please, if live your life. Just imagine, guys, how heartbreaking is this, guys? I'm still saying ukuthi uNkulunkulu umphilisile and uphilile. She was cheating in Korea. She's done a lot of things, for a 31-year-old. She's done a lot of things. Yeah, no, shame. Guys, I don't want to lie, this really touched me a lot. Guys, for always supporting me. Ngithanda over.